Hello friends, welcome to day 5 of science. We are going to read about a new topic on days 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to be learning about asteroids, which are part of the solar system. We're going to start today with our reading, so please take out your packet, open up to day 5 reading. First, we're going to review our vocabulary. First, listen to the words and repeat. Rocks, to orbit, bits, broken, leftovers, clumps. Now we're going to talk about the words. Rocks is a cognate. Think about the sound of the word rocks and look at the picture. What do you think it could mean? Rocas. Good. To orbit means to circle around. Hacer un círculo alrededor de algo. To orbit. Bits are small parts. Okay. Pedazos pequeños de algo. Broken. Look at the picture of the cup. What do you think broken could mean? You're right, broken means roto. Leftovers mean extra. Cuando tienes extra de algo, estos son los leftovers. Clumps are material grouped together, como grupos de algo. Okay, now we're going to practice the words with hand gestures. Please repeat the words and the hand gesture with me. Ready? Rocks, to orbit, bits, broken, leftovers, clumps. Let's practice again. Are you ready? Remember to use your hands. Rocks, to orbit, bits, broken, leftovers, clumps. Okay, now please pause the video and practice the words on your own. Ahora dale pausa al video y practique las palabras. Did you practice the words? Great job. Now we are going to move on to the reading. Please look at the reading on your paper. First, we are going to look for our vocabulary words and highlight them. I'll do the first one. I see the vocabulary word rocks, so I'm going to highlight it. Please do the same on your paper. Now please pause the video and highlight all your vocabulary words in the reading. Ahora dale pausa al video y subrayar todas las palabras de vocabulario que se ve en la lectura. Did you find all your words? Great job. Okay, now I want you to highlight all the other words that you know. Ahora vas a buscar todas las otras palabras que ya sabes. Por ejemplo, yo sé que solar system significa sistema solar, así que voy a subrayar esta palabra. Ahora te toca, dale pausa al video y subrayar las otras palabras que ya sabes. Great job, you know a lot of words. Now we're going to read together. Please listen and follow with your finger while I read. Meteors and asteroids are space rocks in the solar system. Asteroids orbit the sun, but they are smaller than planets. Meteors are broken pieces of asteroids. How are asteroids different from planets? You're right, they're smaller. Smaller means más pequeño. Asteroids are smaller than planets, planetas. Okay, now we're going to read it together. Please read with me. Ahora lee conmigo en voz alta. Meteors and asteroids are space rocks in the solar system. Asteroids orbit the sun, but they are smaller than planets. Meteors are broken pieces of asteroids. Great job. Now we're going to read the next paragraph. First, listen and follow with your finger. Point to the word asteroids. Asteroids are the leftovers of the solar system. As planets and moons were forming, small bits of gas and dust were left over. These small clumps of gas and dust became asteroids. Okay, now we're going to read together. Ahora vamos a leer juntos. Asteroids are the leftovers of the solar system. As planets and moons were forming, small bits of gas and dust were left over. These small clumps of gas and dust became asteroids. Good. Now, pause the video and practice reading out loud on your own. Ahora dale pausa al video y lea los dos párrafos en voz alta. Después puede seguir con el video. Great job. I'm glad that you're practicing reading. Now we're going to work together on day 5's activity. Let's read the instructions first. So please turn to the next page and find the instructions. The instructions say, what is an asteroid? ¿Qué es un asteroid? Draw and label a diagram of an asteroid, then write sentences explaining your diagram. Dibuja y rotule un dibujo de un asteroid. Después, escriba oraciones explicando lo que has dibujado. Okay, so right here, you're going to draw, vas a dibujar un asteroid. Piensa en lo que sabes de un asteroid. For example, maybe I want to draw a planet and an asteroid to show that asteroids are smaller than planets. Por ejemplo, tal vez podría dibujar una planeta y un asteroid para mostrar que los asteroids son más pequeños que las planetas. Después voy a rotular lo que he dibujado. En tu dibujo quiere mostrarme todo lo que sabes de asteroids del texto. Okay, after you're going to finish the sentences. It says asteroids are. Asteroids son. ¿Qué son asteroids? Look back at the text. Maybe I could say asteroids are rocks. Maybe I can say asteroids are rocks that orbit the sun. Or I can say asteroids are smaller than planets. Write one thing that you know about asteroids. Escriba una cosa que tú sabes sobre asteroids. The second sentence says, asteroids were formed when. Asteroids estaban formados cuando. ¿Qué sabemos del texto de cómo están formados los asteroids? I'll give you a hint. Look in the second paragraph to find the answer for sentence 2. When you finish, please send me a picture of your work. Cuando terminas, puedes mandarme una foto de tu trabajo. Okay, great job. I'll see you tomorrow.